This is simultaneous equations 4. Now this time what we have is no matches, so we haven't got an x coefficient that's the same, we haven't got a y coefficient that's the same. So what we have to do is to make one of them the same, and looking at this, the easiest way to do it would be to make that 2 into a 4. So what we're going to do is to double the entire bottom row. So the top row is going to remain as it is, and the bottom row is going to turn into 4x. Don't forget to multiply everything by 2. So 4x and 10y and minus 8. So even the minus 4 is getting doubled as well. Let's bring down the first equation. We'll call that equation 1 and equation 2. We've now created equation 3. So equation 1 is going to come down. I'm just going to put it underneath here. So it's 4x plus 3y, so I know what I'm doing, and I'm not going to get confused with the wrong equations. And now I've got the match of the 4's, and they're both positive. I can subtract. So 4x take 4x is going to give me nothing. I don't even need to write that 0 if you don't want to. 10y's take 3y's gives me 7y's. Now if you had this the other way up, you'd end up with 3 take 10 and you'd have negative 7, but it will still work. It doesn't matter which way around you have it, as long as you're consistent. So minus 8 take away 6 gives us minus 14. Divide both sides by 7 and we end up with y equals minus 2. So y equals minus 2 is now going to go back into one of the, or actually any of the 3 equations, but I'm going to pop it into equation number 1. So let's go back to equation 1. 4x plus 3y equals 6. Replace the y with a minus 2, so we've got 4x minus 6, because 3 times minus 2 is minus 6, equals 6. Okay, now solve this. We're going to add 6 to both sides. That gives us 4x equals 12. Divide both sides by 4, so x equals 3. So the answer was x equals 3 and y equals minus 2.